Hello and welcome to the Real Mentor. Today we are going to discuss about Azerbaijan and what are the opportunities related to business and investment in Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan is a country that is neighboring to Turkey and Russia. This is actually Asian country, but on the cross roads of Europe. And what are the opportunities for investors it has? I'm going to share some critical data with you today. Look, what are the strong sides? Number one, here is political stability in Azerbaijan. There are no any political instability in previous 10 or 12 years. And the second one is the infrastructure. Azerbaijan, being an oil rich country, has developed its roads and highways, motorways. It has a very good road and rail link to Russia and Turkey. When we are going to discuss about the low cost of labor here in Azerbaijan, suppose that a laborer can earn $500 in Istanbul, Turkey, but here is the labor for a month around $300 per month. So it has a lower labor cost. And fourth one is the migration policy. Azerbaijan gave migration to the people or investors or businessmen who invest more than $300,000 in the economy of Azerbaijan. So there are several benefits for investors. Here we can discuss about 0% value added tax for the period of 7 years, and then 0% corporate tax for the investor, and as well as we have some 0% property tax on that, and as well as land tax 0%. So 0% VAT, 0% corporate tax, 0% property tax, and 0% land tax for the period of 7 to 10 years for a company or for an individual. You can understand that Azerbaijan has a total population around 10 million, 10.1 million. And what is the literacy rate of Azerbaijan? I can share it with you. This is a 99.8% is the literacy rate. So Azerbaijan has some interesting facts. Suppose that if we discuss about FTA, Free Trade Agreement, Azerbaijan has a FTA with 10 countries. Number one is Russia, Free Trade Agreement with Russia. Number two is the Ukraine. Number three is the Georgia, bordering country. And number four is the Kazakhstan. Number five is Kyrgyzstan. Number six is Tajikistan, and number seven is Uzbekistan. Number eight is Turkmenistan. Number nine, Moldova. Number 10, Belarus. So 10 countries has free trade agreement with Azerbaijan. Suppose if you are a manufacturing company and you want to export your products, you can export your products to these 10 countries without any custom duty. Azerbaijan has a preferential trade agreement with Turkey. Turkey is the bordering country, Azerbaijan. Another interesting information I want to share with you, that is Azerbaijan uh, has investment opportunities. Suppose that preferential access with the markets, with a good GDP, reduced taxation, and as well as we can consider that business registration is very easy in Azerbaijan. So these are the investment climate factors. Suppose that limited price control when you are going to introduce into the economy or into the country of Azerbaijan. So there is a limited price control. Temporary residence allowed upon investments, temporary local counterpart requirements, and no foreign exchange restrictions, as well as no discrimination between foreigner and domestic investor. So no limits on the amount of foreign capital in companies, no restrictions on repatriation of profits. you can take back your profits to your country, and no prior authorization of profits and no prior authorization of foreign investment requirement. You can start with minimum investment. Suppose that you can start with 50,000, 100,000, and then you can increase your investment slowly with time. No technology transfer restrictions. You can transfer your technology very easy. And as well as entrepreneurship development fund is managed by the country. They give a loan up to 10 million on 5% annual basis, and they have a good credit guarantee as well. If we discuss about the global rankings of Azerbaijan, this is a really very interesting information. Suppose that the World Bank Doing Business Report 2020, Russia is on the rank of 28, whereas Turkey ranked 33, Azerbaijan ranked 34. So bordering country with Turkey, Azerbaijan ranked 34. So it's a hidden gem for any investor. Whereas you can see Italy has 58 number in the ranking. So Azerbaijan is above than Italy. And if we come to the Heritage Foundation Economic Freedom Index. Economic Freedom Index, Turkey has number 76 in economic freedom, whereas Azerbaijan has a ranking of 38, better than Turkey. So many people prefer to do business in Turkey. There could be a lot of opportunities for those investors and businessmen, those who want to make their business setups in Turkey, because Azerbaijan is also a Turkish country. And with Turkish speaking, suppose Azerbaijani language is 80% similar to Turkish language, and on the other hand, the labor cost is very lower as compared to nearly 40% lower labor cost in Azerbaijan, and as well as global rankings as compared to Turkey, Azerbaijan is on the above, like Freedom Index. This is 38, and as compared to Azerbaijan and Turkey, we consider that Turkey is better. But in Freedom Index, you can see that Turkey is 76 and Azerbaijan is 38. We have some more interesting information for you. Suppose that there is non-oil sector improvements in previous years. Non-oil sector has increased 61.9% in previous few years, and there is investment of 19.3 billion dollars in non-oil sector in the previous few years, and we consider that this is a really big investment, foreign direct investment. So if we see, there is in 1 year there is 7.1 foreign direct investment, 7.1 billion FDI, 7.1 billion FDI in 1 year. GDP of Azerbaijan is 42.6 billion US dollars, and if we see what are the priority directions and which industries could be the focus point for any investor or for any businessman. So there is a lot of scope in heavy industry in Azerbaijan, and there is a lot of scope in food processing industry, and as well as green energy. There is a lot of scope in agriculture. Azerbaijan gave tax-free incentives for the companies, those who want to work in the agriculture sector. So they give like 5 to 7 years tax-free for the companies, and also 50% credit of the total investment. And as well as there is a lot of potential in pharmaceutical sector and logistics sector, because Azerbaijan is a transit country from China to Azerbaijan, and Azerbaijan to Turkey, and then Europe. There is a lot of international trade going through Azerbaijan from China, Kazakhstan, and it's going through from Alat, Azerbaijan to Georgia and Turkey, and then to Europe. So logistics has a lot of potential in Azerbaijan. So major two I can say you can invest in agriculture sector for a lot of profits, and as well as in pharmaceutical sector. So agriculture and pharmaceutical, from all over the world, they are welcoming investors. If you have experience in heavy industries, food processing, green energy, agriculture, pharmaceutical, and logistics, there's a lot of potential for you as a company or as an investor. You are welcomed here in Azerbaijan. We can say that for any entrepreneur or a company, what are the benefits? As I have already shared with you that value added tax is exempted for 7 years, and property tax is exempted for 7 years, land tax is exempted for 7 years, and for any individual entrepreneur, there's a 50% a reduction in income tax, and for any legal entity, there is a 50% of the profit that is reduced, and there is a concession for that. Overall, the total population of Azerbaijan is 10.1 million, and I have discussed with you that there is a 4.8 million labor available in Azerbaijan. These were the really very interesting facts about the Azerbaijan. If you are interested to invest in Azerbaijan, you can contact us. This is a Real Mentor group of companies, a Real Mentor business and investment consultant. I hope you like this information. We will come up with such critical information that is required for any foreign investor to invest in Azerbaijan, and to invest in Pakistan, and to invest in Turkey as well. If you are an investor looking for such information, you can subscribe our channel, and you can wait for the next video. We have our numbers and in our description. If you want any critical information, and you want to set up a company in Azerbaijan, you want to do some business and investment in Azerbaijan, you want to buy property in Azerbaijan, you can contact us, and we can provide you here with a good information and services. Thanks for your time, and let's see you in another video.